DAAD Scholarship Germany, one of the world's largest funding organization for international students exchange. So in this video, we are going to cover few topics. What is DAAD? What is DAAD scholarship programs? Where we will talk about all the scholarship programs offered by DAAD, then DAAD programs for bachelor students, the DAAD programs that are currently open and about to open in 2026, then the financial support what DAAD covers, then how to apply, and then top German universities for DAAD scholars. And there's a special section for DAAD scholarships for Pakistani students, and there's a special section for DAAD scholarships for Indian students. Then we will talk about frequently asked questions, and then life after DAAD, and then I will give you the few links of the apply link. So first of all, what is DAAD Scholarship? It is a German academic exchange service and is the world's largest funding organization for international academic exchange. It was founded in 1925 and it offers almost 100,000 plus scholarships per year, and it has more than 86 programs. So why you should study in Germany with DAAD? Because Germany has no tuition fee. It covers all of your living expenses, health insurance and travel costs. German degrees are globally respected and it gives you the opportunity to learn German and experience European culture. And if we talk about the post-study work, then it gives you almost 80 months of visa to find employment in Germany. Then if we talk about DAAD key principles, then the DAAD scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. This is purely merit-based and is completely apolitical. And it opens to students from virtually all over the world. And applicants are not reviewed by DAAD staff, they are reviewed by academic committees. And this cannot be combined with other German government scholarships. So now if we talk about DAAD scholarship programs, so this is the full list of the programs available through DAAD. Number one is study scholarship, which is available for master students, and it provides monthly stipend of 934. Its duration is 10 to 24 months and the deadline to apply for this is October 15 of this year 2026. Next is research grant, that is for PhD and postdoc students. It gives the monthly stipend of 1200 euros and it's for 7 to 24 months and its deadline is October 15. Then comes EPOS, development related courses that requires the work experience. So its level is Masters and PhD and it gives you monthly stipend of 992 euros and this is also for 12 to 36 months and its deadline varies and mostly it is in June or July. So if we talk about Helmut Schmidt program, it is for masters. It provides you monthly stipend of 934 euros and its duration is 12 to 36 months. And the deadline to apply for this is July to 31. I mean, the deadline is about to arrive. Next is Rise Germany internship. That is for bachelors for STEM program. And its monthly stipend per month is 861 euros and it is for almost 2 to 3 months. And its deadline is December 15. Then we talk about Rise Professional. It is for bachelor's and graduate students and the monthly stipend is 861 euros per month and it is for 1.5 months to 6 months. And the deadline to apply for this is Feb 28. Then we talk about university summer courses for bachelors. Then it is the stipend of 1134 one time and it's for 3 to 4 weeks and the deadline to apply for this is December 1. Then the last one is German language courses that all levels of students can apply. It is partially covered and it is for 2 to 8 weeks and the deadline to apply for this is October 30. So now let's talk about the scholarships one by one. So number one is Study Scholarship Stipendium. So this is a flagship DAAD program for international students pursuing a full master's degree. So what are its benefits? That it provides you 934 euros per month as a living stipend. Then you get health accident and personal liability insurance, and then you get the travel allowance also, one-time study allowance and 2-month German language courses before the program and full tuition fee waiver. So what are the eligibility criteria for this? Bachelor's degree completed no more than 6 years, above academic performance. German taught programs are available through this scholarship, and English taught programs you need IELTS score of 6.5 plus TOEFL 90 plus. And applicants from all countries are eligible and you must not be the residents of Germany. So what are your selection criteria? Your academic excellence should be 40% and study plan will include be like 30%. 20% will be contributed by your motivation letter and your language proficiency will contribute here 10%. So applications are open every year of September and they end in October and results are announced in March to April and the program starts in October of the scholarship year. So next we talk about research grant. So this is for PhD students and postdoc students in German universities. So it provides you 1200 euros per month for 7 to 24 months, requires confirmation of supervisor at the German universities, and the supported institution for this scholarship are this one that I mentioned here, And then two models, individual doctorate and structural doctorate programs are available. You can search throughout on this via the DAAD Scholarship website. It covers travel, insurance, language course, and study allowance. Then we talk about postdoctoral research grants. It provides you 1,407 euros per month for 1 to 6 months of stay for short-term research collaboration with German academics, and you should hold a PhD completed within the last 4 years. And then we talk about binational and sandwich doctoral programs, and this is the one where you will split time between your home country and Germany, and it covers the German phase, which will be almost 6 to 18 months. So next we talk about program 3 EPOS, development related postgraduate courses. So this is the full form of the EPOS. It is a fully funded German's Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, and it is for professionals, and it requires work experience. It provides you 992 euros per month for master's student. It covers public health, agriculture, engineering, economics, and social sciences, and it requires 2 years of professional work experience after your first degree. And bachelor's degree should normally be of 4 years. And then academic results will be upper third of your class. And it includes our preparatory German language course. Next, we talk about Helmer-Schmidt program. It is for public policy and good governance students. So it will provide you 935 euro per month stipend, full insurance, travel, language support, and it will focus on master's degree in public policy, economics, law, and related fields. It requires 2 years of work experience in any NGO, in public sector, any related field. Programs are usually taught in English, and it's highly competitive and only limited seats are available. So if we talk about the application deadline, so it is July 31 every year. Its duration is 12 to 36 months for masters, and English taught programs are available through this scholarship. So now if we talk about the bachelor students, DAAD programs. So for bachelor student, DAAD does not offer fully funded bachelor's degree scholarship. However, the program below are open to current bachelor students and provide valuable international experience, funding, and research opportunities. So first we talk about university summer courses. It is for undergraduate and graduate students from all over the world. It requires German language, that is minimum A2 level. Then funding amount will be 1,134 to 1,192 euros, and it will be a one-time payment. Your fees will be covered and your accommodation will also be covered. This duration will be 3 to 4 weeks summer, and the application start in December 1 and they end on January 31. But it also depends on your program. So application will open mostly in December 1 of each year. Then we'll talk about RISE Germany research internships in science and engineering. So who can apply? Undergraduates in STEM, but mostly from USA, from Canada, from UK, and Ireland. It provides you a monthly funding of 861 euros per month, and it 2 to 3 months is the duration of this program, and English is required, no German language is needed. And the application deadline for this is December 15. Then we talk about RISE Professional Scholarship. Only the bachelor students and recent graduate students from all over the country, they can apply. It covers almost 861 euros per month, and its duration is 1.5 to 6 months. And the deadline of the scholarship is February 28. Then we talk about German language courses. Then bachelor's, master's, and all nationalities can apply. The duration for this is 2 to 8 weeks. The application deadline is October 30, and the application will open in September 1. Okay, so this was all about the DAAD scholarship in bachelor's. So now we talk about currently open and upcoming scholarship. So the RISE Professional Scholarship, this is currently not open actually, because it's June 2026. Its first cycle has passed, and the next will open is September 2026. Then university summer courses, the application is closed, and this will open on September 2026. German language courses applications are open, and they will deadline of October 30, 2026. Then there is Study Scholarship 2027 that is open for September intake, and the deadline is October 15, 2026. The research grants scholarships will also open in September, and the deadline will be in October. So EPOS was recently opened, has been closed recently. Helmer-Schmidt program is currently open for a very short time, and its deadline is July 31. If we talk about RISE Germany 2027, so this will also open in September, and its deadline will be December 15, 2026. So okay, so now we talk about financial support what DAAD covers. So I have told you all about in the above paragraphs that it will give a monthly stipend. EPOS stipend is this one. It will cover your health insurance, your travel allowance, your study allowance, and German language course. Then we talk about its tuition fee. Then full tuition fees is waived through this, and no block account will be needed. So living cost in Germany. So if you live in these countries, then the monthly living allowance will be suitable for you to cover your living allowance. Then we talk about these colleges. Then yes, the monthly allowance will be provided to you. That will be adequate. And then for these states, this monthly allowance will be very tight for you, and you will have to do a part-time job to cover up your expenses. If we talk about how to apply for this scholarship, then your first work will be visit the DAAD Scholarship database, find out your program, and then apply for admission to a German university simultaneously. Because for some programs they require offer letter, but for many of the programs that does not require an offer letter from the university. So you have to prepare your motivation letter, your CV on that format. You should request 2 reference letters from university professors if you are applying for a master's by research or by a PhD or for a PhD program. So you should take the German or English language proficiency test. You should register on that portal, and then you should complete and submit online application with all documents, and you should wait for result. Then interview will be conducted, and you should apply then for German student visa. After that, you will first enroll in the language program, and then your semester will start. So if we talk about the documents required for this scholarship, this is one application form. Next is CV, then motivation letter, 2 academic reference letters, certified copies of all degrees and transcripts, English language proficiency test, university admission letter or proof of application, your passport copy, research proposal, and no objection certificate if you are currently enrolled in any bachelor's or master's degree. So now let's talk about the top German universities for DAAD scholarship. So these are the list of universities. You can read out here. These are the top universities for DAAD scholarship. The next we talk about our special section of DAAD scholarships for Pakistani students. So this is the information of DAAD office in Pakistan. And then we talk about programs available for Pakistani students. So number 1 is the study scholarship student stipendium. This is for master student, and it is open for all Pakistani graduates. Then there comes EPOS, that is for masters and PhD, and it covers monthly stipend of this, and Pakistani students are also eligible for this. Then is helmet student program for masters, and work experience is required for this scholarship. Then there is a research grant for PhD and postdoc students, and supervisor confirmation will be required to apply in this. Then use university summer programs for bachelor's and master's students, and German language proficiency will be required for this. Then we talk about German language courses. It is for all levels. It is partially covered, and it opens every September. So now we talk about DAAD in India. So special section for India. So what the scholarships are available for Indian students? So first is DAAD IIT Master's Sandwich Program. It is for IIT graduates on master's level, and research stays in Germany for Indian IIT graduates. Next is WISE, Work Internships in Science and Engineering. It is for undergraduate STEM students in India. It's a summer research internship at German universities. Then his OPPOS, it is Indian professionals from relevant fields. It is a fully funded master's and PhD for developing countries. Then there is study scholarship for all Indian graduates for master's degree. And there is search grants for PhD candidates postdoc. So here are the few tips. You can read it out here. And then we will talk about some of the frequently asked questions regarding the DAAD scholarship. Does DAAD fully funded bachelor's degree? Here's the answer. You can read it out. Then is German language required? Here's the answer. You can read it out. Then can I apply without a German university admission letter? Do I need to repay the DAAD scholarship? How competitive is DAAD? Can I work while on a DAAD scholarship? And does DAAD cover the blog account? Why should I start preparing? When should I start preparing? Can DAAD be combined with other scholarships? So here is the answer to all of the questions. Then we talk about life after that, because when you will complete your study, then you will have a 18-month visa to search for employment. If you get the employment, you can get a work visa, and then you can convert your student visa to work permit. And then EU blue card for high skilled non-EU workers earning above threshold salary. Then there is permanent residency. It's available after 2 years of working with EU blue card. Then we talk about that alumni letter, so you can read it about here. And there are career opportunities. A lot of career opportunities are available in Germany, particularly in engineering, IT, healthcare, and research. And top employees like BMW, Siemens, SAP, Bayer, Volkswagen, Bosch, Deutsche Bank. These are all available in Germany. And its starting salary is about 45,000 to 70,000 euros annually. So if we talk about the websites through which you can apply and you can get the relevant information through DAAD scholarship, so these are all the available websites to apply in the DAAD scholarship.